Hey everybody, this is Taz for Drop Top Tees. Here's my wife Jennifer, and look, she even has a new license plate, Saxy. We just got Saxy back from the repair shop after a month of waiting today. And so Jennifer, how did you feel when you were coming up on that red light and the lady turned too wide and hit you?
Oh my god, that was horrible.
And how did you feel when you had to wait a week after the car was repaired? We waited exactly a week to get her back because the insurance company wouldn't cut that last check they needed to cut to release the car.
I was incredibly frustrated.
Would you ever use Blue Fire insurance?
No. Please don't.
So how do you feel now that you have Saxy back?
Yay! I got my Saxy back!
And there you have it. A very happy wife because she has her 124 back. Saxy is back with the family. Latre Sorelle. And you'll see we drove them down to White Rock Lake and took some pictures because they all wanted to go for a little drive together because they've been missing each other for the last 30 days. For Drop Top Tees, this is Tazlon and Jennifer and Saxy and Cerisi and Itzy. Have a great day. Thumbs up. Hit subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.